Hey, guys, we're back with another cool gadgets and products to look for. Book your seat for the next 10 minutes cause you're about to get hooked with our video. Gadgets that you might not have heard or seen before. The video is about to get really cool, but before that make sure to hit the subscribe button, as we're going to come up with lot more such products that you have to look for. Let's get started with the video. 1. Hydrophobic waterproof t-shirt. The Men Hydrophobic t-shirt is made of high-quality polyester fabrics and the latest knitting technology, super hydrophobicity, super stain resistant and quick dry. The breathable summer t-shirt Men combines science and technology with fashion beauty, suitable for a variety of life scenes. You can place your order with the URL link given below in the description box. Two. Pool cleaner robot. Pool cleaning is easier than ever. Fast, environmentally friendly and cost-effective. No more taking too much time and force at the edge of your pool to remove leaves and debris. You can place your order with the URL link given below in the description box. 3. Illuminated Mixer. LED single-lever waterfall bathroom basin mixer tap in the color based upon the temperature of the water. The hydroelectric-powered integrated light alters the light color from blue to green to red as the temperature of the water changes. You can place your order with the URL link given below in the description box. 4. Cleaning brush. Easy to use and no leakage. The dish brush body is made of high-quality engineering plastics. Press the button to squeeze out cleaning liquid. It is convenient and saving. Dispensing soap where and when needed. You can place your order with the URL link given below in the description box. 5. Toy Car G65 SUV. Dishy Cooker Car Model Alloy Pullback Model Car Model Toy Pullback Toy Car for G65 SUV AMG Toys for Children. A bit of playtime is always good. You can place your order with the URL link given below in the description box.